How are you?
I am fine. Thank you very much for all your love watching our videos. Hope
Friends are learning the coding.
friends are learning the coding.
Alright, so let's start today's learning. Today we're going to start fourth lesson from RoboGarden. In this lesson there are 5 missions. So let's start. Avnish, are you excited for today's learning?
Yeah, I'm excited.
Okay, so let's start the first tutorial. This is the first tutorial. Okay, so what are the names of the sweet and which side each one of one? What is the names? Lollipop and
Lollipop and
donut, right?
donut.
Okay, next. So here what is the color of the last cell Robo will stand on after running the following code?
One step forward,
Paint yellow,
paint yellow. One step forward,
one step
one
forward.
step forward,
Paint blue,
paint blue.
step forward,
Step forward,
step backward.
backward, blue. Submit answers. Yay, we passed!
So we completed the tutorial. So let's start the first mission. So here is the first mission. We need to collect the
Paint your way to the
lollipop,
mango
avoiding the
lollipop
candle.
with yellow. Be careful. Avoid colliding with candles.
Okay, so we need to paint yellow color. So here is the new tab added in this lesson. You see, up to today we only seeing movement tabs and rotation. Now there is two more tab get added, like it's a paint color on the cell. We can paint, auto paint, or write anything, and you can use the color tab. So let's see how I is going to perform it. We need to paint which color?
Yellow.
Okay, so you taken.
Paint on cell.
Okay,
Add to color.
add to paint.
Add to paint. Yellow. One step forward. 1, 2, 3, 4. 2, 3, 4. Right.
Okay, rotate right.
One step forward.
Okay,
Run the program.
okay, run it. Right,
Right.
left.
Yay! The mission is complete.
Okay, so we finished the mission. We see we use the auto paint and paint on the cell. Okay, and we painted yellow color. So let's continue to the second mission. So here is the second mission.
There are 3 ways to get out of the maze. Find any path of them and paint it green.
So we need to get Robo out of the maze. So let's see. There are 3 ways, but let's see what way Avnish is choosing. And we need to paint which color?
Green.
Green color. Correct.
Paint on cell. Green color.
Okay.
Add to paint. Green color. One step forward.
One step forward.
Step forward. Right.
Rotate right.
Right. 3 steps forward. forward, right, one step forward,
So we need to get out, right? So I think one more step forward. All right, so let's run it. Green,
green, right, green, green, green,
left,
left,
right,
green, 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 right. Yay, we passed!
So this mission is completed. We taken Robo out of the maze by using the path. So let's continue to the next mission. So here is the next mission.
Paint the cells blue to pick up the sweet and do not forget to avoid the candles.
So we need to collect the candle. No, we need to avoid the candle and collect the cupcake. Okay, and we need to paint the cell with blue color. So let's see.
Paint on cell,
Paint on cell.
blue color,
Blue color.
atto paint,
Auto paint.
seven step forward,
One step forward.
one, two, three, four, five, six, seven.
7.
One step right,
Okay, rotate right.
three steps forward,
Okay.
one, two, three,
3.
one step right,
Step right.
one step forward.
Okay.
Let's run the program. Blue, 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 blue.
Rotate right.
Right, blue, 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 blue. By the right, blue. Yay, the mission is complete.
Okay, so we completed the mission. We helped Robo to collect the cupcake. So let's continue to our next mission. So here is the next mission.
Collect all the available sweets on the square path. Mark each corner cell with a different color.
So we need to collect all the sweets and we need to paint each corner with the different color. So let's see.
I'm gonna take paint on cell,
Okay.
green color,
Okay, green color.
one step forward,
Okay.
second step forward,
Okay.
third step forward.
Okay.
Paint on cell, red color,
Okay. Red color.
right,
Rotate right.
one step forward, second step forward, third step forward.
Okay.
Paint on cell, blue, right,
rotate right,
one step forward,
okay,
second step forward, third step forward, bend on sail,
and on sail,
brown,
okay,
right,
rotate right,
one step forward, second step forward,
okay,
right around the program,
green,
green,
red,
red, blue, brown. Yay! The mission is complete.
Okay, so we completed the mission. We collected all the sweets and also painted the corners with different colors. So let's continue to our last mission from this lesson. So here is the last mission.
A new rectangular route. Collect all the items on the corners of this path.
So we need to collect all the items from the corners. So let's see.
I'm gonna take one step forward,
Okay,
another step forward, right,
okay, rotate right,
one step forward, second step forward, left,
rotate left,
1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
5 step forward,
One step forward, second step forward, third step forward, fourth step forward, fifth step forward, left, one step forward, second step forward, let's run the program,
okay, right,
right,
left,
left. Yay! The mission is complete.
okay. So we completed the mission. We completed all the 5 missions. So let's see, there will be a quiz and then we will have the certificate for this lesson. So let's continue to the roadmap and then there we will have the quiz. So here is the quiz.
Roadmap quiz.
Okay, so Robo has to color the cell having the lollipop with red. Which set of code block is the right answer? Step forward,
Step forward,
right,
right, step forward,
Step-
yellow, red.
okay, red, this one. Okay, so let's select it. Okay, next. So Robo perform the following sequence. What is the color of cell he reaches?
Red. One step forward, right, one step forward, one step forward,
Okay, red, right?
red.
Select the red one. How many cell will Robo paint green when he perform the following set of code? So I have to paint green, step forward, step forward, right, step forward.
3.
3. Okay, let's select 3. After running the executing the code, following set of code blocks, which color Robo will reach after executing the following set of code?
Yellow.
So it's forward, forward, right, forward, forward, yellow. Okay, submit the answer.
Yay, we pass!
Okay, so we completed the quiz as well, and we pass in it. So let's see, all the answers are good. So here we'll have the certificate. So let's collect our certificate. So here is our certificate from the 4th adventure. Let's choose what we will eat. Okay, so thank you very much.
Like and subscribe, watch our videos. Don't forget to click bell icon. Bye!
Bye. Thank you.